Hello friends, today's topic technical analysis create more profits by using all opportunities. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. It is said that there is always a bull market somewhere. Every day there are some buy indications for short term which provide us opportunities to make some profit through short term trades. Short term means a few days to few weeks and not intraday trading. If we track technical analysis carefully, we can make use of large number of opportunities. We have compiled a very interesting data of how many just buy and buy indications came on a daily basis in the last 3 weeks. Observe how many opportunities stock market gives investors if they are smart and alert. Now opportunities for short-term trades in just 19 trading days. 25th September 2023, just buy indications 4, 26th September 6, 27th September 4, 28th September 13, 29th September 2, 3rd October 18, 4th October 11, 5th October 3, 6th October 13, 9th October 21, 10th October 4, 11th October 2023, 32 highest number, 12th October 13, 13th October 9, 16th October 6, 17th October 9, 18th October 14, 19th October 6, 20th October 8, total 196. Now observations and comments about this particular topic. Number 1, the indications have been derived from 30 days moving average. Number 2, the total number of buy indications was 196 in 19 trading days. That means per day almost 10.3 chances. 3, the above indications have been shortlisted from observing a total of 200 stocks which are part of Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, Nifty Mid Cap 100 indices. Number 4, it shows that irrespective of how the overall markets move, there will be always some regular opportunities to make profit in the short term. 5, as of now, 44 stocks are still in hold zone and continuing the rally in spite of Nifty falling so much and being in don't buy zone. Number 6, in fact, when there is a continuous uptrend, then there will be many more buy opportunities for short term. 7, identifying these buy opportunities requires at least 30 minutes of time at night every day, which only some investors are ready to devote. Number 8, in stock markets, time, effort and smartness, alertness of investors are always being rewarded. Now at the end of the video, here is a question. How much time do you spend for stock market research every day? Type the number of minutes, hours in the comment section. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.